YouTube is giving out $300 to small channels with as low as 500 subscribers to turn on channel membership. This is a big news for small channels. If you have 500 subscribers, you are eligible to get this YouTube bonus offer that is up to $300 just to activate monetization feature on your channel. And it doesn't end there. YouTube says we are going to give you $3 for every new channel member that joins your membership. Not only that, you can earn as high as $600 from this offer. So in this video, I want to show you all about this monetization feature. What is required to be eligible, how to find out if you are eligible, and then what to do to make sure you're able to get your $300 the very moment you are invited. Let's get into it. This is mind-blowing. I got to know about it yesterday from Dan. He made this video here talking about it. He said a friend who is a small channel sent him this screenshot. This is YouTube inviting him to activate membership and get paid $300. For every new person that signs up, joins his membership, he gets extra $3. Just imagine for a moment that this is you. You activate channel membership. YouTube sends you $300. Every time new person signs up for your membership, you get $3 each. And you are able to get just 10 members in that month. That's extra $30. So at the end of the month, you are getting $330 from YouTube. Absolutely free. Right now, I am envying small channels because it wasn't like this when we started. This feature is launching 5th of September. So if you already have 500 subscribers, it is time to get ready to make money. And in case you don't have up to 500 subscribers, you're not eligible for membership yet. This is a wake-up call for you to double your hustle and get yourself 500 subscribers before the launch date, because you might be one of those lucky ones that will be given this free money. I want to call it free money because that's what it is. YouTube wants to pay you for activating a monetization feature. That means we pay you to make money. Isn't that amazing? Now, what I find very interesting about this is that both big creators with thousands and hundreds of thousands of subscribers and small creators with as low as 500 subscribers are all eligible for this. If you are a small channel, you are looking to make your first ever $300 and you have 500 subscribers, this is a golden opportunity for you to make your first ever $300 as a small channel. So here's what you're going to do. I need you to go to your YouTube dashboard right now and look for this invitation notification. See if you're one of those ones YouTube invited to activate and make money. So when I saw this yesterday, I was like, no way, it can't be true. But then it's real. Look at it from YouTube itself. Now, I started wondering, how are those creators, small creators, going to get paid for this? Turns out that there's another creator yet who has already voiced out my concern. So look at what this creator said. YouTube bonus program. Did anyone else see the bonus program YouTube is pushing out? Promising $600 just to start channel membership. And another $600 if you get up to 100 members. I just began membership for this reason. In fact, this person has already been invited. He has activated the membership. So he goes on to say, but how should I expect payment? Which is my concern. Now, digging deep, I found out that this program has been in existence for as far back as last year. There have been creators that have been making thousands of dollars using this. Look at this. So this creator here says, last year they offered me $1,500 plus $15 for every member who signed up in the first 30 days. I took it, of course. I enabled membership at the end of July or the beginning of August and received the payment in September. The payment just gets added to your total revenue in the month they give it to you. So what this creator is saying is that he was invited last year by YouTube. He activated it and YouTube paid him $1,500 for just activating channel membership. And for every new member that joined his membership, he got paid a whopping $15 just because someone else signed up for your membership. So from the look of things, this has been in existence. As at last year, it was $1,500 for activating it. And this year, YouTube reduced the fee from $1,500 to $300 for activating it, and then $3 for everyone that joins the membership. Just imagine for a moment, you are one of those creators as a small channel. YouTube invites you. Now, just for turning on the button for activating channel membership, you get a whopping $300. And for every time someone joins a membership, you get extra $3. Let's say you're able to get 10 sign-ups in a month. That is extra $30. So at the end of the month, you're going home with $330. It's raining dollars for creators right now. So if you're a small channel, you have up to 500 subscribers, I need you to go to your YouTube dashboard and check if you're one of those ones that got this invitation. Because it turns out that this is invite only feature. Only those that are invited are eligible to activate it and get paid for activation. So if you're eligible as a small channel, you might be that lucky one that got invited. And that's why I'm asking you to go to your dashboard and see if you got this notification here. If you see this notification, move on immediately and activate it, because I would love to see you make your first dollar as a small channel. Now, let's talk about what channel membership is. If you're hearing about channel membership for the first time, it is a monetization feature for creators that are monetized to make money. So as a creator, you create a lot of valuable videos. People subscribe to your channel. They love what you do. They gain a lot of value, and they want to buy you a cup of coffee just to appreciate the good work you do. They sign up for your membership. So it's actually a feature you need to activate once you're eligible for it. If you look at this, you're going to see my channel members. And by the way, shout out to all my channel members. You guys are the real MVP. I love you. I appreciate the love and support you guys give me. Thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube membership. I love you guys. So as a creator, when you activate this, people sign up for your membership, you have to give them something like perks. It could be members only videos. If you look at this, you see these videos, they are members only videos, which means for you to watch these videos, you need to join my channel membership. It can also be members first videos. You upload a video, you allow only members to have access to it for a couple of hours or days before it's made public. We also have badge and a lot of other perks, features that you can actually add to this to make it, very unique for those that are in your membership. So channel membership has 3 levels. You can choose to use the 3 of them or just go for one. And you are the one to decide how much you want your channel members to pay per month. So you activate it, people sign up based on what they can afford. So as a creator, when they give you this amount of money, YouTube collects 30% and you keep 70%. Now, whatever you earn at the end of the month is added to your revenue. That's actually the total revenue that's paid you at the end of the month. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in my next video.